In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect an Xbox controller to your PC using Bluetooth, and this works great for gaming without needing a USB cable or Xbox wireless adapter. So the first thing is make sure your Xbox controller supports Bluetooth. So a quick way to check is controllers with a built-in share button usually support Bluetooth. Older Xbox One controllers may not have Bluetooth. If you found it, turn on the Bluetooth on your PC. So go to Windows and then go to Settings and Bluetooth and Devices, and then turn on Bluetooth. After that, you want to make sure to put the Xbox controller into pairing mode. Hold the small pairing button on top of the controller for a few seconds until the Xbox logo starts flashing. Then after that, pair the controller to your PC. So click the Add Device and choose Bluetooth. Wait for your controller to appear. Select the Xbox wireless controller and click the Connect button. After that, you need to test the controller. Once connected, the Xbox button should stop flashing and stay solid. To test it, open the Start menu, search for Setup USB Game Controllers, select your controllers and click Properties and move the sticks and press buttons to confirm everything is working. And then, of course, do not forget to start the gaming. Open your favorite game because most modern PC games will automatically detect the Xbox controller. Now, here's the thing. If it doesn't connect, turn on Bluetooth off and back on. Restart your PC and remove the controller from your Bluetooth devices and pair it again. Make sure your controller batteries are charged and update your controller firmware if needed. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect your Xbox controller to your PC wirelessly. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.